FTVETs po, we are a society of future technical vocational educators and trainers po. Specifically, we are a future teacher of BTB-TED because po we are studying Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teacher Education. Our
Mm.
major is Agricultural Crops Production, sir.
Mm.
So basically, we are educators as well as we are trainers. Our product, our innovation would be the briquette, sir. So we are using a sustainable material in creating such product po. So, unlike uling na mausok, si briquette po, sir, is pulverized yan siya na minold lang. So, maliit lang yung usok niya. So, it is very sustainable also. Kasi, it is made from things na makukuha lang sa ano po natin, sa paligid-paligid like banana. Now, when we talk about banana peels, mas less yung ano niya kasi halos wala na talagang usok, sir. Yes po, and
Pero nakapagbaga pa rin siya ng apoy.
yes po, there are many studies that indicates po na very efficient din yung banana peel. So, upon thinking, brainstorming, we think that let's use that to create a business, not just to help us, to help the people, but also our environment.